cats, ferrets, and other predatory mammals. The wild fauna of New Zealand was decimated, with many species lost forever. North of the dawn chorus has grown louder and louder. It has been a vital sanctuary for many rare native birds. The whitehead was close to extinction, as was the blue-wattled kicau. And the hihi would have been lost forever without Little Barrier Island. Now, these birds are being used to repopulate other parts of the country. A 9-kilometre-long, 2-metre-high fence has created a hilltop citadel. Rare natives like the curious kaka are flourishing here and making their own way beyond the fence to repopulate the surrounding area. Birds make up the vast majority of the endemic vertebrates in New Zealand. The only native mammals here are bats. Has found a haven bird in few other places in the country. It was pulled back from the brink of extinction and a small population translocated here in 1981. Now their numbers are growing steadily. A male returns to his nest with a gruel of chewed up leaves and berries. There are now more than 100 pairs on this island alone. Bird life can thrive here thanks to the unique and pristine ecosystem that is like a perfect feedback loop. Millions of seabirds nest on the island, returning vast quantities of calcium, lime, and phosphates to the soil in the form of well-digested seafood. This fertilizer helps support around 400 species of native plants, many of them endangered. A doomsday vault for New Zealand flora. The rich humus leads to an explosion of feedback into the food web. With such a huge amount of food, the birds thrive, meaning they can live in unusually small territories, leading to an incredible density of life. An extremely rare and ancient resident stalks the tussock. This is a takahe. It has a remarkable story of resurrection. These large flightless birds were thought extinct for half a century before one final population was discovered in a remote mountain valley in 1948. There are now only around 300 in existence. which makes this all the more special.